listen here. So this is going to be the model question paper 1. Okay. So here we have the grammar questions. Okay. So see there. Now we are going to discuss that with the help of the question itself we can get the answer. We will get the clue to write your answer. And then when it comes as a multiple choice questions like this, very first we should not go ahead with the answer. Very first we should omit the options. Very first we should omit the option. That is a very good like anymore. Then only you will not do any careless mistakes. Okay. Let me get into the very first question now. Okay. See there. Fill in the blanks by using the correct form of word, which means there they have given a verb, which means you should remember it. It is a tenses. Okay. So there you should remember it. Main verb means most probably, okay, we know the forms, either the main verb like verb 0, what was actually they have mentioned, confront, or else verb s, okay, or else verb ed, or else verb plus ing. This is the format that there you have to remember. Either it may be like a present form or past form or a continuous form. Okay, that's what you should remember. But with the help of the question itself, we can find out the sentences belongs to what. For example, see the question, read the question, my dear. What is the question? Who is that? The protagonist. Protagonist means what, my dear? Who will be considered as a protagonist? For example, in story, protagonist means the hero. Most probably the person one who takes the story. Okay, one who lives the story, protagonist. Okay, antagonist means villain. Okay, the enemy. Okay, that's it. So remember that the protagonist confront his fear and what they have mentioned, stood. Okay, present form or past form? Past form. So here itself we got a clue that we should use only the past form. Past form means we should remember that there we have a simple past, past continuous, past perfect, past perfect continuous. Okay. So there we should get into the answer that whether we want to write it in a simple past, or next to that we should remember it past continuous, okay, or else past, yes, repeat it, past perfect, or else the past perfect continuous. So you should remember the same. Okay. But here it's very simple that the sentence means that the protagonist was conquered, which means captured by the fear, and then he stood tall against the antagonist. Okay, so it is the same sentence. So in past perfect continuous means we know that the sentence will represent to denote the past form of action. That too, the limited duration of time will be there. We don't have any limited duration. And then past perfect means there we should get two different past perfect action. There we should get two different past action. Okay, there we should get two different past action, which happens one by one, followed by that. Okay, there we don't have any two different past action, so we can remove that. And then continuous, definitely not. Definitely it belongs to only a simple past. Okay, so what should be our answer, my dear? What should be our answer? Confronter. That's it. Okay. And the next question, see that error. Second question. The government must take immediate action to address the increasing pollution level. See, obviously we can strike out the answer. What it is? Takes. Okay. Because there we used to have a sentence like must take only. Okay. The error is takes, and then correction is take. For example, we have a sentence. Just now we have discussed the voices. In active, what should be the answer? Can solve only, not solves. Okay. I will submit only. I will not, which means the sentence will not repeat like I will submits. Okay. So that's going to be the obvious. Okay. And the next to that, reported speech. Actually, see the sentence. Rogan and his friend Aman had a conversation about their plans for the weekend. Report the Aman's question alone. Okay, report the question alone. What is the question? Are you going to the concert tomorrow? Just now we have discussed like, okay, how we should find out the sentences, right? Okay, what sort of sentence this is? Questionary form is, of course, obviously, because with the help of the question you will mean that. But next to that we have the pattern, right? What is the structure of the sentence? The sentence starts with the, what it is? Sentence start WH. Are you going? Auxiliary, right? Just now we have discussed, right, my dear? The sentence starts with the auxiliary. Which sentence will start with the auxiliaries? S1 type question, right? Just now we have discussed, right, my dear? What are the auxiliaries? Be form, do form, have form, modals. Okay. Do you like? Do. Are you going? Are is auxiliary, right? What sort of auxiliary this is? Be form. So you should not forget the pattern of this, okay? So WH means, just now we have discussed the pattern of the WH sentences. WH, auxiliary, next to that subject will be there. S1 type question means next to the auxiliary we will get the subject and then the question. Are you free? Shall we go to Canton? Do you like? Okay. Have you received? Okay. Same like that, what they have given, are you, what they have given, my dear, are you going to the concert tomorrow? The additional question. So we know that in reported speech, very first what we should write it, my dear? A number of 5 rules are there, no? What are the 5 rules? Very first we should change the reporting, what it is, reporting verb. Next to that we should change the conjunction. Next to that pronoun. Next to the pronoun tenses. Next to the tenses we should change the distance word, right? Okay. But actually there they have given in a redirecting sentences. So we should follow all 5 set of rules, okay. So who may be the reporting person, my dear? Who may be the reporting person? A man's question, right? Who may be the reporting person? He. Okay. And then reporting verb? Yes, reporting verb? Asked. Repeated. He asked. And then conjunction? If or whether, we can write it, right? So if in interrogative the pattern will be auxiliary, subject, and then the rest of the question will be there. There in a indirect sentence we should change the subject first and then the auxiliary. Before the subject we should add the which means a conjunction. What it is, my dear? If or whether, right? Okay. Without a conjunction means the sentence will look like a S1 type question. The sentence will look like a assertive. Very good. Only 2 souls repeated. Okay. So what it is, if without a conjunction means the sentence will look like a assertive. See the sentence, he asked if he was going to the concert, and the next to that tomorrow will be changed into the next day. But read the sentence, if without a conjunction means if or whether is not there. Without a conjunction, read the sentence. He was going to the concert the next day. The sentence look like a assertive. So don't forget to add the conjunction, because for WH we don't have a conjunction, right, my dear? For WH we don't have a conjunction. So this is going to be your answer. Next question. See the next question. This is also reported speech. This is also a reported speech. See the sentence. Actually they have given the indirect form, and the multiple choice question alone they have given, like this part alone they have given as a question. Remaining things they have changed. Reporting verb they have given, the professor, reporting person, reporting verb, asked, and then another person, the professor asked the student, and then end of a word also they have given, except that. Okay. So very first we should omit the option. Okay. So before getting to the question, you should find out that what sort of sentence that is. Why did you choose this topic? What sort of sentence this is? Interrogative. Interrogative, what category it comes under? WH question. And the next to that you should find out the tenses. What sort of tense that is? Why did you choose this topic? What sort of tense this is? Yes, my dear. Did is there, right? Which is belongs to a, yes, louder. Simple past, which is belongs to a simple past. Simple past means we should change into a past perfect. We should change into a past perfect. Leave the space. Come out fast. Go to that corner. Move and sit, my dear. Make it fast. So we should change it into a past. Yes, repeat it. Past perfect. Past perfect means again you should remember it. Had plus verb 3 form, which means the verb ed, which means you should remember it. What it is? Past participle. There you have to remember. So this is a very regular verb or irregular verb? Choose. Regular verb or irregular verb? Irregular. Okay. So what is the present form, my dear? Choose. Past form? Chose. And then past participle? Choose. Okay. So there we have a one and only option, chosen. What is the one and only option? Option A alone. Here they have given option like choose. Present form definitely will not come. Right? Say yes or no. There we have studied past perfect means had plus verb ed, past participle. Here again we have another past participle. Here it is a continuous form. So directly we omit two different options like A and D will not come. Next to that we have a two option like either A or C. Okay, because both are in past participle. But we know that past perfect means the sentence should consist with, yes my dear, had plus verb 3 form, which means the past participle. Okay, so the past participle for choose means definitely chosen, and the next to that here we don't have auxiliary like had. So directly we will omit the option. What will not come, my dear? C. And then we have a only option. What it is? Had. Okay, sir, in exam if I have taken this time means definitely it will take nearly more than 1 minute. No sir. Yes, of course, each and every grammar topic you should spend more than 1 minute. Okay, you should attend carefully like anymore. Okay, later after lunch, okay, we will discuss about in each and every section how many minutes we want to spend. Okay, that time we will came to know about it. What is the pattern of the question and then how we should spend the time. 3 hours means how effectively we have to use the time. That you have to be very careful. Like that in grammar you should spend more than 10 to 15 minutes. Each question 1 minute. The question which is very difficult you can take some more seconds. That's it. Okay, so then means the 10 marks, for this 10 marks you spend 10 to 15 minutes effectively, then only we will get the marks, or else again and again we will lose the marks. Particularly multiple choice question, directly when we went into the answer means when we select the answer, definitely it will lead to some other confusion. Once we come out from the exam hall, then we will came to know about it. Oh, chosen is there, but what I did, I have selected the C. I forgot to look into the option A. Most probably they have given a very first option. If the question setter wants to confuse you means they will take this answer to the last one and then they will replace this here. Do you understand? Okay, so you have to be very careful while writing the multiple choice questions. Okay, and the next to that, here we have so very easy question. What should be the answer, my dear? King must always put his people first. A, an or the. The means particular. The means particular. What it means that king means a king. Okay, what it is? A king should be like that. That's what they mean it. They have not particularly the king Alexander, which means the king particular name they have not mentioned there. Okay, they have mentioned a king. A king means what is the responsible? A king means he should be behave like that. He should give such a protect like animal. Same here. What is the answer? A king must always put his people first. And the next to that, see the next question. Our company, error again. Our company is committed to provide the best quality products at the most affordable prices to all the customers. What is the error? Check one by one. Check one by one. Our company is committed to provide the best quality products at the most affordable prices to all the customers. Sorry? Prices. We want to write it price. Is into was. Which means our company was committed to provide. All the customers. All should be changed into every. Think twice. Because this sentence will look like the sentence which has a no error, but there we have an error. We'll mark this. We'll go ahead with the sum more, then we'll come again. Just think twice, okay? Read the sentence. Go ahead one by one. Our company is committed to provide the best quality products at the most affordable prices to all the customers. Split that and then try to find out. Sorry, my dear? The? What it is? Where? First, just confirm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Where we have error. Like that you should split. When the question was given. First one, our company. Yes, please. Our company. No, a company alone will come. Our company. Okay. And then is committed. Just write it. During break you discuss. After the break we will go ahead with the sixth question. Okay. Write the question and split like this. Our company is committed to provide the best quality products at the most affordable prices to all the customers. Okay, split it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and then try to find out which segment has the error. Error spotting you should split. The very previous sentence is very easy like anymore. That's what we have written here. The government must take. First it's obviously they have given the mistake. So let it be the easy like anymore. But here you should remember it. This question actually will be very what it is. Easily you are not supposed to find out the answer, so you should split. Write the answer and then split it. Segment 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the proportion, and then sixth one, the most affordable prices, and then to all the customers. Okay. So think twice and then we will discuss an end of the topic. Okay. Now let me get into it. That is a challenging question. This question alone, the sixth question alone will decide who is going to be the topper. Okay. Do you understand? Some only. Think twice, we will discuss. Okay, hope so. But I need explanation with everything, okay? Please go ahead with that. After a break, we will discuss. And the next one, see the seventh question. Okay, this also will be very obvious like anymore. The error you can identify. There they have given must takes. There's obviously the error you can find out must take. Here also see the question. In conclusion, this study reveals the association between a healthy lifestyle or a longer lifespan. Because when they have given the option means easily we will go ahead, because we will omit that reveals, definitely not, present form alone will be there. Okay, revealed is wrong. And then what they have mentioned, a healthy, thus also will be right. And then there between also will be right. It is not among, between. Between what? There alone they have made a mistake. Between means definitely they want to use the word what it is, the conjunction and. Okay. So this is easily, obviously you will make the answer. And the next word, eighth question. Yes, this one. After the years of struggle, the protagonist finally dares his goal. Well, first omit it. That's what I told you, right? Just omit it. What are the things we can, after the years of struggle means definitely it is going to present the past. Okay, definitely two different answer will not come. What it is? Both the present form, singular and then the plural form. Which is the singular form idea? A or D? Singular form verb? Hey, He visit or he visits? He visits. Which one considered as a singular form? So remember the key word like anymore. Already we have discussed. H stands for, just like to remembrance. S stands for, that's what, was or were. Which one stands there? Singular. Was, right? Ends with the S. For clue, what do you remember? Is or? Is. Has or have? Has. Same like that. Verb 0, verb S form. Verb S. Okay. So what is that? Achieves. Okay. And then here next to that, because we don't have any other auxiliaries. Okay. Only verb plus ing alone is there. So past form, one and only is here. What it is, my dear? Achieve. If they want to confuse you means, for example, in option D, they can give you had achieved. Okay. So past perfect they can give you to confuse you then. Okay. And the next to that, there we have again the reported speech. What it is? Report the dialogue between the two scientists discussing a new discovery. Okay. Actually, the statement, very first statement, they have changed. They have translated. The scientist one stated. Stated means what, my dear? Yeah. What is this in term? Replied. What term in grammar we used to have in reported speech? What it is? Reporting verb. Okay. So stated is a reporting verb, and that is a conjunction, right? Okay. And then this discovery already they have given. That's what they have given. Like the discovery could change the way we understood the universe. They have given, and then this part alone we should change. Scientist 2. Yes, it is truly groundbreaking. Scientist means, don't think that it is scientifically proven statement. It is not scientifically proven statement. Okay. It's a conversation between the two scientists. Okay. If they have mentioned the scientifically proven statement means, then we know that we should not change the tenses. Okay. So what is that? Very first word, my dear. Yes. Positively or else? Affirmatively or else? What is the sentence? This discovery could change the way we understand the universe. Scientist 2, he made a sentence. Yes, it's truly groundbreaking. Yes, there means positively. Okay. Another word, agreed. What is another word? Agreed. Yes means write it. Okay, write the answer. Okay, write the answer. Yes, scientist 2 agreed that. The conjunction we want to write it, my dear. That. Next to that, it is truly groundbreaking. What we want to change it in indirect form, my dear? It. Yes, what it is? It was truly. Yes, recited. Groundbreaking. Whether the question is easy or not. But this part alone they have given. Okay, so most probably the students will forget to write the word agreed. Then you know that in grammar we don't have any partial marks and all. It's up to the invigilator, the evaluator. Okay, so it depends like anymore. So don't forget any, even that the expression also we should mention there in a reporting verb. Okay, for example, teach student, good morning, teacher, and the dialogue is there for a teacher means that student made a word like good morning. Okay, in reported speech what we should do? What? Student wished the teacher. Student wished the teacher. Okay, and then in dialogue, for example, the dialogue, last dialogue is okay, thank you is there. For example, Ram, and then dialogue between Prem, it's there, and then Prem said something, and then Ram made a conclude the dialogue, thank you. In reported speech, what we should do, my dear? How we should change that? There we have written student wished the teacher, right? Same like the Ram thanked Prem. That's it. Ram thanked Prem. Okay. The expression alone you should be very careful like anymore. That is a unique thing. Like irregular past participle, definitely when the questions that are assigned, he knows that definitely most of the people will commit a mistake. Even we teacher, when we got the question paper, when you come out from the exam hall, you will round the question, this is a complicated, this part, okay, definitely students will make. Well, we are correcting a paper itself, we will know that this question, we will concentrate on that question, particularly you will be caught under. Do you understand? Because we know that everyone, that part alone you have to be very careful, where everyone will commit a mistake. So, when you got 10 questions, you should split that. This is a easy question, this is a moderate, this is a tough question. There I want to give a more importance. I should score there, because the pattern of the question, okay, we know that very first what they are doing, they are testing your reading skill. They are testing your reading skill. Next to that, they are testing your grammar. They are testing your grammar. Next to the test, what is there? Writing skill. After completing all the skill, they are going to the literature part. The comparison, analytical, understanding, everything will be applied there, okay. So, you should be proven like anymore that how we are good at grammar, how we are good at writing skill, how we are good at reading skill, okay, that's what. And the next to that, go ahead with the answer, my dear. The breaking news, the suspect in high profile case dash arrested by the police. Omit that option first, okay. There we don't have any option like was been, right, say yes or no, my dear. And then being definitely will not come, it is not a, okay. And the next to that, whether it is a present or past, two different option alone is there. Whether it is a present or past. Breaking news, right, definitely it is a present. So, what should be the answer? Has been arrested by the police. Now, tell me that whether this is active sentence or passive sentence. Passive sentence, okay. Why? Because the doer of the action was there in a, okay, the end of the sentence. In the exam, how they will give you the sentence? The suspect in the high profile case has been arrested. That's what they will give you in voices, okay. The suspect in the high profile case has been arrested. Change into other voice. If you want to change the sentence into active, what is the answer, my dear? Work that, work that, work that, work that, work out that. Write the answer. Write the question. The suspect in the high profile case has been arrested by the police. Or else you write only that object and prediction alone, you write it, not even the doer of the action. You just write it. The subject in the high profile case has been arrested. That's it. The suspect in the high profile case has been arrested. Change into active sentence. So, what is the answer, my dear? The police has been arrested. What tense it is? My dear, present perfect, right? Present perfect. So, we should write the same. A police has been arrested or arrested? Has arrested. What we want to write it? Arrested the suspect in the high profile case. Whether it is easy or not now. Okay. So, compared to reported speech, just now we have discussed the reported speech. Here the voices, which one will be very easy, my dear, compared to that? Voices, right. How many of you written the right answer there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do the mistake. Do the mistake. What mistake we have done? What mistake we have written? How many of you changed the object into subject first? How many of you not changed that exactly? Okay. How many of you not written has arrested? The verb part committed a mistake. What do you have written? Arrest we have written. Present form. Arrested only. Oh, past form you have written. Which means in reported speech. We will change the past form, right? It is not even right. In reported speech, we will change the past perfect into past form. Actually, it is there in a present perfect, right? In voices, we should not do the changes, my dear. It should be changed, okay? Another one, remaining things. Anybody made a mistake? Okay, the receiver of the action, that's it. Let me get into the next question. 11th question. This also will be very easy like anymore. So don't give up, keep going. The world dash your strength. Okay, obviously what it is? Needs. Needed, past form will not come, will need. There is no word needing. Okay, so the option will be there. With the help of option itself, we will came to know about it, how far they are good at grammar. If anyone selected the last option, definitely the question setter will evaluate that. Definitely in literature, n number of mistakes will be there. Okay, because they don't even know that word needing. Okay, and the next word, again same format, the users must update the software regularly to ensure optical performance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Where we have error? Where we have error? 2. What it is? Yes. The very, what it is, my dear? Second question, we have a same sentence, right? There, what we have discussed? Takes. Okay. So, same like that, updates they have given. What is the answer? Update. Okay. Except one question, we have completed all. So, see the last one. Sorry, not last one. The sixth one. This is going to be your challenging question. Okay. So, 10 question is there means obviously you will raise a word. You will raise a word like, sir, 12 question is there now, sir. One question is tough means what I will do? I will skip and then I will go with the option. But for your goodness, not one question, 4 question is there means. Okay, so we should have your full, what it is, okay, effort like anymore, the concentration like anything to clear this question. This person alone will be very successful. Work out that. After the break, we will go ahead with the answers. Okay, go for a break now.